Aloha everyone, it's Candace, Divine Breath Yoga, here to offer you some ideas tonight to meditate on this stormy scene here in Oahu. Reminds me that God is in the storm. The storm and the rains have caused the gully below to start to turn green, and God's light is shining through those clouds. And so tonight, instead of me being on camera, I want nature to be on camera. And I invite you to find your comfortable rest. Either gazing upon this light or a light of your choosing. Settle down. Find rest. As you find your comfortable seat or you're laying down, relax your body. Notice any tension. Give a big breath in to fuel that spot that might be giving you some ache or pain or discomfort. And as you breathe out, invite that tension to let go. Breathing in that power, that strength, the light of life. Breathing out peace. Be still. Breathing in God's love. As you breathe out, telling your body peace. Be still. Breathing in God's peace, even peace amid the storm. Breathe out peace. Be with you. Listening to our body, noticing when there is a tense place or a place of discomfort, breathing into it, welcoming in these warm feelings, breathing out and into the surrender. We've got some visiting neighbor dogs. If you're hearing them bark, that is life. Even the calm in the storm, we still sometimes have those things that pop up. And when those come again, we breathe in peace. Be still. Opening the ears of your heart to listen. From Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. We breathe on this and listen again. Maybe a word sticks with you that you breathe and ponder in your heart. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. So we breathe for a few breaths, letting these words of truth soak into our hearts and minds, that God has a plan, that God's plans are to give us hope for a future. So even amidst the storms, may we look to the light with hope for a bright future. Some words that I've been trying to repeat as I calm the storm and welcome that peace be with you. All is well. Everything is working out for my highest good. Out of this situation and experience, only good will come. And I am safe. Today's storm clouds brought on a headache for me. And although it drains my energy, it reminded me to look, to see the field bright green, full of life, coming out of its winter dry spell, being nourished by the storm. And my prayer becomes tonight that I too, may you too, may we all be nourished with peace and hope. That all is well. Everything is working out for my highest good. Out of this experience and situation, only good will come. And I am safe. May this stormy sunset remind you too that you are God's beloved. God has a plan for you. God is working through you, reminding you to have hope. Let kindness begin in your heart by accepting God's unwavering, loving, peaceful kindness and goodness. Let that light of love that comes from God spark hope in your heart. May each person you meet start to see the light that your heart carries, that light of life, that hope. That perhaps your persistence encourages them that all is well. Everything is working out for my highest good. Out of this experience, situation, only good will come. And I am safe. In 3 of the Gospels, there's retellings of Jesus speaking to a storm and saying, "Peace, be still." So may that peace be still call into your heart, your mind, and that peace bring you hope. Peace be with you, my friends. Be well.